So what we are missing actually is that part where we can put our texture. So in order to create that, go back here. And we should have some or sort of face that we can select and allow a texture to be there. Go back in the front view, create a cube, T for scale it, and make that one of the same size and move it until you reach this. So we will create an hole also here. Go in the normal view, and so right click on bool, current state object, open that one, click on tape body and holes, right click, connect objects plus delete, hold it and release it, then click on bool and delete it, click on the other one and delete it, and same thing for this. So right click, current state to object, delete the original one, hold the tube and release it, and then take symmetry and delete it. There it is. So we can just select this, right click, and connect objects plus delete. So as a result, we have just one tape body. Go back here and create another cube of the same size of your application of the texture. Move it, click on the cube, fill it, select this, and we can increase this to something like 6. So we have rounded corners for the texture. You can increase that until you are happy about it. Then go back to the normal view. So double this one after having called that texture face. Double that one, key press command and move it. And there it is. Then look for bool. So the tape body should be the child one and then the texture face until you have this. And check it. Do you see that? You should go inside, go to display, go to shading in order to see that better. I think that's too much, so I select the texture face, E in my keyboard, and I can just move it a little bit. I think that's enough. I can do the same thing later for the other part. So now right click on bool, current state to object, delete the original one, open bool, select this, right click, connect objects plus delete, hold it, release it, and delete bool, the name of the group. So this is the result. So we're going to do the same thing for the other part. Look for bool and take texture face, make it a child of bool, take tape body, make this a child of bool, then select the texture face and move it so you can see actually how much is that inside it in depth. When you're happy about it, just click on an empty space to check it. I think that's too much. So select everything, right click on the bool, current state to object, delete the original one, open the bool, select them, right click, connect objects plus delete. Then hold it, release it, and delete bool. Then look for bool again. Make the tape body a child, and then the cube. Oh, actually, it should be the opposite, sorry. So like this, and so we have a hole in the middle, and there it is. File, save project. Now we have to create some holes also here at the bottom. And so create another cube. Keep your press command, move it, and make it smaller. I want this one to be under this, like this. And this one to be a little bit smaller. So there it is. So now we can just select them, the cube and the cube one, right click, look for connect objects plus delete, and then go for symmetry and make it a child. And there it is, also to the right. Right click on symmetry, current state to object, delete the original one, open symmetry, hold cube, and delete the name of the group, because you don't need that. And there it is. Right click on bool, look for current state to object, delete the original one, then open bool group, select tape body and cube, right click, and look for connect objects plus delete, then hold it, release it, click on bool, delete it, then look for bool, make the cube a child, then the tape body, and this is the result. File, save. So look for the tube, R to rotate it, and grabbing the red line, keep press shift, and when you are to 90 degree, release it. Click on tube, change the segments to something like 50. E to move it. Check the position. And so if you want to see what's happening inside, you can just create material, new PBR material, and here select transparency and unselect reflectance, and use that as the material of your tape body. And there it is. So you can actually see what's happening there. We don't need this inner part to be covered, so that's okay like this. Keep press command and move it in order to create the other one. And we want the other one with a different size, so it's more realistic. Then look for cube, make it very small like this. nice. You can just click on the glass material and delete it. And there it is, our tape. File, save project.